My name is Trint. I'm a video editor at the Seattle Times. So we produced an interactive documentary online called Under Our Skin, and it examines the words that we use and misuse and misinterpret when we talk about race. And we interviewed 18 people for a total of 31 hours of footage. We knew we needed to get all of this transcribed, and transcribing 31 hours is quite costly for a newsroom of our size or of any size. We ran all of it through Trint. It was a collaborative process. We shared those transcripts with every member of our team. We picked up on so much we didn't even pick up when we were sitting there in person with these people.
To say I'm Black and to then identify other people as people of color are two very separate things.
Being able to see the words kind of light up while they're saying the words in the video has been great, because you can find the word and you can see exactly how their face looked, how their voice sounded when they were saying that. That's been great. And being able to send kind of the interactive transcript around so that you can show other people on your team what that was, because that can be really hard to convey, and if it's in a normal transcript, it's not like that. The time codes have also been super invaluable, because you have an exact time code down to the second. It saves so much time rather than having to hunt based on a human transcriber's time code, which could be several seconds off. I don't think we would be doing transcripts for a lot of the products that we do them on if we didn't have Trint. We just wouldn't be able to afford paying a human to do it.